Today we're gonna make the eyes shine in Photoshop in just 1 minute. So first of all, select the elliptical marquee tool right over there and make a selection of the eyeball. You can always go ahead and press the spacebar to move the selection. Once that is done, hold the Alt or Option and subtract the pupil from there. And just like that, once that is done, you can always go ahead and create a new layer by clicking on the new layer button and then fill it up with white. Make sure the foreground color is white, press Alt Backspace Option Delete if you're using a Mac. Then press Ctrl or Command D and go to Filter, Blur and then Gaussian Blur. Now let's apply a blur of 3.6 for this example, hit OK. Let's take an eraser, erase off the extra areas. Make sure the area that is shining is opposite to the catch light, just like that. And once that is done, you can always go ahead and change the blend mode from normal to overlay. If you think light is not much, make a copy of it, press Ctrl or Command J. Now make a group of both of those and zoom out just a little bit. By holding the Alt or Option and the Move tool, you can move it to the other eye, and there you have added shine to the eyes in Photoshop very easily.